Sometime back, I had a viewer contact me and he let me know that there was a new company that was bringing out some very interesting stove designs. The name of that company was Campingmoon. After talking with this viewer, taking a look at the company's products, I purchased a handful of them, and over the last year or so, I've been reviewing those products. After all of the testing that I've done, I really have come to appreciate this company, Campingmoon. They make really good products at a fair price. Anyways, recently, I stumbled upon something that I wanted to review. It's this here. I liked what I saw so much with this product that I purchased it, just like I've done with the other products, and this is now going into testing here on the channel. When I came across the listing for this product, the first thing that came to my mind was cheeseburgers, right? A cheeseburger over a stove, awesome. A cheeseburger over hot coals, that's next level. That's right, everyone, this is a grill, and it has some very interesting features to it. My name is Luke, this is the Outdoor Gear Review. Thank you very much for tuning in, folks. I do appreciate it. Taking a look at the storage bag, you may be thinking that this is some sort of canvas. That's not the case. This is very much a cotton fabric of sorts. Here we have the logo, here we have 2 grab handles, and here is the opening for the case itself. We have the Velcro closure. And here we have the grill. The first component is this grill grate, which nestles perfectly into the grill platform itself. It cannot come out. It cannot come loose. Let's say that you have a pan on top, you're moving it around. This is locked into place. As you can see here, we have 2 grab handles so that we can pick this up and take it off. Here we have the frame and the frame top. Down at the bottom, we have the legs. And check that out. They expand. With the stove all set up and expanded, you can see here at the top we have the grill grates. These are spaced perfectly for any size pot, cup, and pan. Let me go ahead and show you all how that grill grate fits into place. It nestles in perfectly and locks. That is super, super smart, everyone. With the grill here, it is at its maximum height. That's one of the cool aspects to this product here. It is height adjustable. So the first thing that we can do is fold in those extendable legs. So check that out. You can go down to this height if you need to. Or you can bring those legs back out, extend them, and boom, you're up to this height. But let's say that you need to make some minor adjustments, right? This is too high, the other one is too low. These leg extensions actually can be raised and lowered. You can see these holes here. You can move these up and down. How smart is that, everyone? Let's take a second, everyone, and let's go over the stats concerning this grill. To start off, let's talk about the different versions of this, because originally I was going to list them all, but I started going through what Campingmoon offers, and that is freaking impossible. There are dozens of different versions of this. All different sizes, some are slightly different. If you want something larger, you can find it. If you want something smaller, you can find it. When it comes to this grill and it's all set up, it is 11.8 inches long. It is 9.4 inches wide, and the height ranges from 3.9 inches all the way up to 7.4 inches. When it's all stored, again, it is 11.8 inches, 9.4 inches, and it's roughly 1.1 inches deep. The weight of this grill is only 2.9 pounds with the storage bag. The weight limit is 66 pounds, and the price of this is only $30. Now, everyone, I'd like to take a second here and show you all how I plan to use this. At 2.9 pounds, that's light enough weight where I can backpack with it. And my plan is to set up my chair. Then I'll take this here, the grill. I'll set this up in front of my chair. I'll have my fire going underneath it. I'll make the adjustments to the stove, raise it, lower it, do whatever I need to do. I'll have the hot coals underneath, and I'm going to cook up something delicious on this here. When I saw this product, I was thinking to myself, that is such a good idea. It's something that I really want to test out. 1, I love cheeseburgers, right? 2, cheeseburgers over a fire, there's nothing like it. Forgetting about cheeseburgers for a minute here, we can also make coffee over this. We can do anything that we want to. You can cook directly on this grill, or you can have your pan on top. You can make cowboy coffee in the morning, whatever you want to do. Talking about my impressions of this so far, the quality is fantastic. I mean, it really is. For $30, I'm very, very impressed. This is made from a stainless steel 304, and everything about this is high quality. All of the edges are smooth, there's nothing jagged, nothing sharp. At the same time, this is very, very sturdy. The level of adjustability for this product makes it incredibly versatile. You can use this in so many different ways for so many different applications. You can cook on this, take it off, have your kettle here, your frying pan here, whatever you want to do. Without a doubt, in my opinion, this is worth the 30 bucks. I do not suspect that there's going to be any sort of issues here. All of the welds look great. This is going to last a very long time, which is impressive for 30 bucks. The storage bag is of a good size. It easily encompasses the stove, which is a good thing. The quality on this is good. I wouldn't say it's like the best ever. You can see this loose thread here. Luckily, that loose thread does not mean much of anything. Ultimately, when it comes to the storage bag, it will get the job done. It will allow you to easily carry this around, put it inside of your pack, and at the same time, it will keep the rest of your contents inside of your backpack or your vehicle clean from soot and whatnot. So in a nutshell, everyone, that is the Campingmoon folding grate campfire stove. I cannot wait to get this out and to use it. Speaking of which, it should be for a trip that I'm going out on tomorrow night. Let me ask you all this. What do you all think about this grill for 30 bucks? Do you like the design? Do you like the way that it's adjustable? That, in my opinion, everyone, is super, super smart. If you enjoyed this episode, hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate it. That's a great way to support the channel. If you want to support a channel that's agenda-free, a channel that's not here to sell you products, but rather to honestly review them, you can do so. You can join the Wolfpack, Patreon, YouTube. Oh yeah. Make sure to stay tuned to the Outdoor Gear Review as I begin testing out this product and I take it out on my adventures. Folks, be good, be safe, strength and honor. Bye for now.